I've been trying to connect to your permission manager X, but it keeps showing this connection field, connection field, connection field. Let me just show you guys this sample. You can see I had the same issue also too. So, but after finding the root cause, I was able to pair it successful. In this video, I'll show you guys the exact step I use. You can fix yours in just a few minutes. Hello guys, if you're new here, I create videos on online service, Android phone setups, browser setups, proxy tutorials, and AI tools, and ways to earn money. Today, I'll show you guys how to fix the permission manager X fail if you are setting up like Curious Cat or other service app that require what permission manager X. This video is for you. So the next thing you're going to do, already you have enabled your developer option, understand, because you have already set up your Shizuki. Guys, check the previous video. I've already did video on that, understand. So I'll head up to my developer options. So I'll just scroll down. So I'll scroll to my this place here. If you're using Xiaomi, you can get yours here. So I'll just click it. So here you can see my developer options down. So I've already tapped it. So the next thing now I'm going to be doing, go to wireless debugging option and tap it. Okay, look at wireless debugging. So you click it. So this is where many people get it connection error. You understand? If you leave this page to open permission manager, the peer information may refresh or disappear. So the easy solution is to use split. So I'm gonna be like I said, I'm gonna be splitting this. So then I'll look for permission manager X. I'll tap it. So you see, I've already split the screen. So the next thing I'm going to be doing in permission manager X, I'm going to tap on this pairing. So I'll tap it. So now I'll go back to my wireless debugging. I'll click on pairing with pairing code, pair device with pairing code. So you tap it, you see it has generated automatic IP address ports. So now I'm going to copy the pairing code now, which is 265325. So I'm going to tap on let's go 265325. So next thing I will do is to pair. So good, can see it has paired successful. So all I need to do is to expand my screen. I just want to expand this screen. Good. Now it has not expand. Okay, good. Let me start with this. You can see the permission manager X has been paired, and look at Shizuku under, understand? So this permission manager X has been paired successfully now, understand? So I can just say I'll go back to this page. You can see the ADB access has been granted, but without the pairing, this place will be granted, and this place needs to be granted, you understand? This place, it needs to be granted. So if you didn't give you this permission, if you didn't pay, it won't work. your proxy port, you won't be able to give your proxy port permission. So now, proxy switcher, sorry. So now I need to search for what. Okay, still loading. Let it finish load. It's still loading. So you can see this is still loading. It's loading below. It's counting. You can see still counting. So let's allow it to finish. Okay, that's finished counting. So I'm going to search for proxy port switcher. Here's the app. Here's the app you're going to be granted permission. So let me go back and add it. So now I'm going to locate this right security and give it a permission. Look at it. So it is what's revoked before. Understand, it is revoked. The privilege here is revoked. So but I'm going to give the right security settings permission now. So it has already toggled on. So you go back. Alright, you go back and go back now. So then you can also return to your account. I understand, and start doing your other connections now. Everything will be fine. You understand? Everything will be fine. Whatever connection you want to do that is stopping you from the previous videos, you can continue. Understand? So with your further setups, so you watch the entire video. So I think that's exactly how I fixed the connection field issue on Permission Manager X. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mubitech Guru and turn on your notification bell. I regularly share Android setup tips, laptops, survey phone tips, and browser setups guide, proxy tutorials, and online earning content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.